Okay, this is the error that I told you before. Fx3 is in the state 5. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to running Conda activate GNU radio env. Okay, so let's run it again. Okay, success, guys. Hi, welcome to Rifki the Cyber. So today I'm going to show to you this device. This device is very small, like this. Look at this. Maybe it's less size compared with my portable hard drive for backup in this case. So it's very small. But this device is actually wow. Almost have the same capability with the USRP B210 mini or USRP B210. We can say that this is the twin sister of the USRP B210 mini, twin step sister, I think it's like that. So the device name is actually the LibreSdr in this case. So today I'm going to show to you how we do the handshake with this one. And I think I already have my previous video about how to handshake with the USRP B210 at that time, right guys? You can check this video, or I'm going to put the link in this video, because you're gonna need that one first in order to do it. And also, you might need to check my Inmarsat video, at least only the part 1, because we will involve the Conda activations in this case, okay? The goal of this test is we want to handshake this without bothering the existing USRP B210 FPGA file, because this LibreSdr, it need some different FPGA file, need a different binary file. Otherwise, if we still using the same file with the USRP B210, you might get the error like Fx3 is in the state 5. That is the common thing that will be happen in this case. So let's go to my screen right now rather than a lot of chatty now. So this is based on the result of the probing of my own. This is the base of the result of my the probing of my USRP B210, okay, or the chip we using the AD9361 in this case. Now we want to get the same result with this one without bothering, without any manual things that we need to change something inside of the default configuration or the default files of the image file of the USRP B210 that I already have it, right? So because we want to running this sterile in the separate environment in this case. That is one of our goal. Okay, let's test this one. So first is I already plugged this one in my laptop, and let's running the USD find devices. Okay, we got the LibreSdr here. This is good, guys. That means my USB is already know this. But if you want to know how to running the USD find devices or USD, the USRP probing, you need to watch my first video, guys, okay? Okay, guys. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe, switch on the bell, and share this channel to others. Okay, guys, I don't mind if you want to treat me 1 cup, 2 cup, or 3 cups of coffee. You can just follow this QR code, this one, or this one. Or I'm going to put the link inside of this video descriptions, guys. We already successful finding this device, right, guys? So this is LibreSdr B210 mini. Which actually this is the family of the similar, the twin step sister with the USRP B210 mini. Okay? But still categorized as the product B210. So let's do some probing right now, guys. Let's probing. This is going to be a challenge. Okay, it's using my own. This is the default of the image loading of the B210 FPGA bin in this case. Okay, this is the error that I told you before. Fx3 is in the state 5. So let's solve this problem together, guys, okay? So the first thing is you need to go to my GitHub. This is my GitHub. Okay, and I think you can, yeah, you can see from this one, but better follow one step by step is following this YouTube video, guys. Okay, and then you go to this one and you just need to download this file. Okay, I already download this file, so the file is in, I already put it here in the my FPGA in the desktop. This is the file itself. Okay, this is download from my GitHub. So let's test again with the probing with this one, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, success, right? Okay, this is success. Okay, yes. Yee. Okay, this is how we put the manual file inside of the desktop itself. But I want to have like a fixed, separate, a fixed stable separate environment. So when I want to running my USSD, USRP, I just running as usual. But if I want to running this, I need to like set up the environment, and then after that, just activate the environment, and then after that, we play with this one success without copying here, copying there. Okay. Now we are going to prepare that one. So what is the environment that I choose is I'm using the Conda. Okay. If you want to know how I install this environment, same 100% like in the Conda, my Conda video, guys. Okay. You can check my video for the sniffing the Iridium with the Wireshark part 1 first. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to running Conda, activate GNU Radio ENV. Okay, guys, now we're going to move to this desktop just to make sure this USSD will not find the same patch in the my FPGA file. We need to go to another directory just to make sure we will put the fix from the GNU Radio environment in this case. Okay, so we're going to running this success, and we are going to running. Oh yeah, guys, you need to, don't forget, you need to download the image first one, guys. Okay, clear. Okay, so so we are going to running the USD with USRP probe. I think will be the same error like before, guys. Okay, see? So we got the error in this case, guys. Okay, so we need to back up first, just in case we're gonna need this one. And then we just back up this with this one. Just put this as like ORIC. Okay, cool. And then I will go to from my desktop, my FPGA. This one I'm going to copy inside of this one. Okay, so let's run it again. Okay. Okay, success, guys. So right now, if I want to running this, I just activate this with this GNU Radio environment. And if I want to using that one, using my USRP B210, I just need to go back again to deactivate the environment like this. I think I'm going to try this. Okay, it's too long. I think there's no port there, but this is the result itself from my USRP itself. Okay, guys, this is the result from my USRP. So guys, I think you get some knowledge how to make the separate environment for the LibreSdr and how separate environment for only for the USRP B210 itself. So for example, you want to running the USRP, okay, you just running as is, as I showed to you in my video before, right? Handshaking of the USRP. But when you want to running the LibreSdr, you just Conda activate. Maybe my environment name is GNU Radio and ENF. You can using another name. For example, like this in my GitHub. Let's say Which one? Oh no, I didn't tell here. I didn't tell this one. So that is the thing that I want to show it to you guys. Okay, separate environment fixed stable without no need to do some manual thing. Dedicated for the Libre, dedicated for the USRP. So manage everything easy, clean, and neat in this case, guys. Okay, I think that's all. As I always say in my other previous video, keep learning and stay humble.